In this video, you will learn how to properly connect the myosmart system with Ottobock electrodes, transducers, switches, and beepers. The myosmart control unit supports 2 to 4 input devices. The input pins are numbered 1 to 4 for easy identification. Pin 9 on the control unit is for connecting the optional beeper that provides audible feedback when switching joints. The recommended option for myosmart fittings is using 4 remote electrodes. To ensure the system functions properly, we recommend using at least 2 13E401 remote electrodes with the additional ground wire. Now, remove the cover caps from pins 1 to 4, one for each input device. If using a beeper, also remove the cover cap from the beeper connection. Apply silicone grease to the plugs before connecting them to the myosmart control unit. To secure the plug connections, slide the plug holder onto the myosmart control unit from the back. Instead of electrodes, Ottobock transducers can be connected to the myosmart system. Note that the output signals from control elements must be recorded via the Connect Grip app, just like the user's myosignal. Ottobock switches can also be used with myosmart. You can connect one or both switch outputs as control elements. Keep in mind that if using 2 switch signals, both must be recorded separately via the Connect Grip app. When using MyoBock electrodes, set the electrode gain to 5. Apply silicone grease to the plugs before connecting them to the myosmart control unit. Finally, secure the plug connections by sliding the plug holder onto the myosmart control unit from the back.